In one of the most remote parts of Australia stands a structure like no other. Towering over 100 metres high. Designed to withstand earthquakes and 250 km/h winds, this 25,000-tonne iron ore plant is practically indestructible. But now, Liberty Industrial must bring it down. There isn't another structure in Australia that is so high profile and so complex. Each stage is a substantial project on its own. Altogether, it's a massive undertaking. For this 12-month demolition project, Liberty Industrial will utilise the latest energy-efficient plant and techniques, and the latest custom-built demolition machinery. But with the project ranked among the client's top 10 worldwide risks, there can be no mistakes.
The main contaminant we have on this site is what they call DRI.
With large volumes of highly volatile direct-produced iron remaining within the structures, careful planning is essential to ensure the DRI can be safely removed from all enclosed areas. To demolish this colossus, Liberty Industrial has gathered a fleet of monster machines led by the largest demolition excavator in the Southern Hemisphere, the 230-tonne Liebherr 994 with its unique custom-built set of attachments. Working together with their breakthrough AEM extreme loading software, a technology so cutting-edge there isn't anyone else in the country using it, allowing Liberty Industrial to show their client exactly how each stage of demolition will occur before a single cut is made. And on a fly-in, fly-out roster due to the remote location, a team of 30 on-site demolition specialists, the best of the best in the industry.
Put the tension back on again, nice and slow.
When there are no second chances, there is no room for failure. $100,000 man-hours. No lost time injuries. The Boodarie Iron Closure Project of Australia. Successfully completed by Liberty Industrial.